Hey there, my little math gurus. I want to talk to you a minute about Weekly Challenge 21 and kind of give you an update about how people did on that. And I want to give a shout out to some people that made a 100. So my records show that these people made a 100 on Weekly Challenge 21. I've got Noah Goins, Shyla Vargas, Stephen Taylor, Brianna Hernandez, Estrella Secondino, Kirsten Ledesma, Thomas Moore, Ella Pomeroy, Shaylee Rodriguez, and Abigail Villanueva. So way to go, you guys. And other people did really well on that, but I wanted to take a minute to give a shout out to them. Look at how our classes did. This was the accuracy of how people answered questions, like correct answers that were given. So block 1, 78% of answers were right, 79% in block 2, and 83% in block 3. So when I went through and looked at the questions, I sometimes will pull those up in front of the class. The most commonly missed question was number 9. So I thought I would take a minute to look back over number 9. So if you want to pull that back up, you can. If not, you can just look right here. And it says, in the inequality 5x plus 20 less than 120, x represents the number of bicycles Michael will be able to assemble in a week at his part-time job. Which phrase most accurately describes that number of bicycles? So here's what I would do. I would take the inequality that's in there, I'd extrapolate that from the problem, and I would solve that thing. So I've got it underlined, and I'm going to go right over here to the side, and I'm going to solve it. So I'm going to write it out over here. I've got 5x plus 20 less than 120. All right, let's move you over here so you can see it. I'm going to solve this thing for x. I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides. I'm going to work down the board. I have 5x less than 100. I'm going to divide by 5, and that's going to be x less than 20. There's my inequality statement. So then what I needed to do is I need to look at which one of these phrases matches up over here with x is less than 20. So would it be A, exactly 20? No, because that would want it to look like this, x equal to 20. So that means A is out. B says, is it at most 20? Well, at most means that you could have 20 as one of your solutions, and that inequality would be x is less than or equal to 20. Less than 20 would be x less than 20. This is exactly that wording. Dang, dang, dang. C should be the solution. Is it x more than 20? No, because that'd be x is greater than 20. So the answer for number 9 should have been C. Okay, I hope this helps you just a little bit. Remember that anytime you have a question, you can email me with a question if you've got something going on with some of the math that you're not sure about, or you're having an issue with seeing the assignment. Thank you for those people that have plugged that into assessments. I want to encourage you to keep working on this week's Weekly Challenge 22. Don't give up on it. I've got some lessons on there throughout the week that we're going to help you get better at looking at those types of questions. Okay? All right, y'all have a great day. I miss you very much. Bye.